This is the elevator at the North Side subway station, North Shore, Pittsburgh. Filming. You're gonna be in so much trouble. Okay, here it is. They have C.J. Anderson fixtures, just like all the other new subway stations here. Shaft light. No, Jared, don't start filming. Let's see what we do. There's the indicator. These elevators. This is elevator N2, elevator 5. Here we are at the concourse. Concourse. Go down to platform. I'm in a freight elevator. C3 freight loading. C3 loading. There goes the floor. Here's a cab view. There's the other elevator. It's just, there it goes. North Side subway station. Oh, I hear a train. So let's watch the train come in. If I can hurry to see it. Oh, glass escalators. I like that. So they're gonna come. This is this is an incoming train, so that's gonna come around. Here comes a train. It may be coming from that side, I don't know. Elevators are down that way. A bunch of security guards up there. And it's coming from this side. It's a red line train. What's this train to? Oh look, there's another red line train to South Hills Village.